Holy shit, we finally did it. We ran out of make.com operations for the month. We've used up our pro plan already in our 10,000 operations, and they want me to pay an extra $15 to get more operations. And I'm kind of like, screw that, right? So I figured this would be a perfect time. n8n, which is getting super popular. Pretty much do the same thing as Make, but you can also add in these AI agents and kind of build your own bots with inside of it too. We are going to install it step by step today together. And you follow along with me. I also put the entire guide for free. See the description and the pinned comment. Is head over to node.js, run JavaScript anywhere, and let's download this file. Let's install the node. You can open up a command prompt. Type this in right here, node -v. It should come up with a v22 something. I'll do npm -v. Should come up with 10 dot something. And remember, the step-by-step guide is free below. Right now, let's actually install n8n. Go back to our command prompt. I'm gonna type this in right here. Enter. This basically tells our computer that we're ready to grab the n8n and install it. This will take a minute or two, and you'll see some text, and I'll just wait until it stops. n8n is installed. Let's run this beast. So we're going to hit n8n start. I'm going to say the editor is now accessible. You can copy and paste that local host in, or you can just hit O. You'll need to set up your owner account. Don't forget to subscribe, because now that we have n8n installed, you know I'm going to be coming with some fire banger automations to make boatloads of cash. Aww. So follow me now. It's sharp, sweet Z. And I got some automations to make. Peace.